Welcome to Bike Future, where we bring you the latest updates on motorcycles from all over the world. In today's video, we're diving deep into the all-new 2025 Yamaha XSR 155. This exciting addition to Yamaha's lineup brings a perfect blend of classic style and modern performance, all packed into a compact, nimble package. Let's break down everything you need to know about this bike. Design and styling. The 2025 Yamaha XSR 155 continues the brand's legacy of retro-inspired design with a modern twist. Its classic lines are accentuated by the round LED headlamp, minimalist tail section, and vintage-styled fuel tank. The new color schemes bring a fresh look, offering both bold and subtle choices to match a variety of riders' personalities. Its sleek, muscular design is perfect for urban commuters while also making it a standout bike in a crowd. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the XSR 155 is powered by a 155cc single-cylinder, liquid-cooled engine, delivering smooth and responsive performance. This engine is paired with a 6-speed transmission, giving riders the perfect balance of power and control. With its 19.3 horsepower output, the XSR 155 offers solid acceleration and top speeds ideal for both city streets and highway rides. The refined engine and performance tuning provide a refined experience for both new and experienced riders. Technology and features. Yamaha has integrated modern technology into the 2025 XSR 155 to enhance its overall usability. It features a fully digital instrument cluster, providing essential ride information in a clear and easy-to-read format. The bike also comes equipped with LED lighting all around, ensuring better visibility on the road. Additionally, the motorcycle includes a slipper clutch for smoother gear shifts and better control, especially when downshifting at high revs. Chassis and handling. The 2025 XSR 155 is built on a lightweight and agile chassis, making it perfect for maneuvering through tight city spaces. The motorcycle's suspension setup, an upside-down fork at the front and a monocross shock at the rear, ensures a smooth ride even on uneven surfaces. The 17-inch wheels, combined with the bike's overall lightweight, make it easy to handle and highly responsive. Whether you're commuting or cruising on winding roads, the XSR 155 delivers a fun, confidence-inspiring ride. Inclusion. The 2025 Yamaha XSR 155 is a perfect blend of old-school charm and cutting-edge performance. Whether you're a city rider or an enthusiast looking for a stylish bike with exceptional performance, the XSR 155 stands out as a top contender. With its modern features, retro design, and smooth handling, it's clear Yamaha has created a motorcycle that can meet the demands of today's riders. Thanks for watching this review on Bike Future. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more in-depth reviews of the latest motorcycles. Let us know your thoughts about the 2025 XSR 155 in the comments below.